Hi guys, my topic in air conditioner AC repair instructions. Whether it a new property or you're looking to replace your current AC systems, we can recommend and install your equipment. AC repairs. Center air conditioner units are often part of a complete cooling and heating systems. If we have an all electric system, your air conditioners methods actually be supplied by a heat pump. It way there are a number of components involved and a number of way the systems can multiplications that may indicate it is a time for an AC repair systems. Repair 1 minute everything is running smoothly, the next your unit in leaking or won't maintain temporary we're here to help. Maintains with AC systems, it never set it and forget it rotates. Maintain, keep everything running smooth and allow us to detect problems easily. Duct cleaning, an important part of maintain duct cleaning, keep your equipment work effective and protect you from jetty duct and models. Ductwork. Same time blockage in the duct can lead to restricted airflow. Older home can also have ducts that are no longer in working conditions with tired and tools that need replacement. Indoor air quality. Dirty air duct and filthy air filter are two of the most common reasons for ultra asthma. As we has used how we can improve the quality of your indoor air with professional air duct cleaning and filter replacement. Indoor air quality. At Plum Air, we believe in more than just cool indoor temperature and home comfortability. The air in your house should be clean and safe to breathe as well. We take indoor air quality and it a core part of your whole home approach to everything we do. Fresh air ventilations. Your top quality HVAC systems are the best defense against poor indoor air quality. Each systems in the most effective optations for removing models, sports, bachelor and virus from the air your breathers. UV light installed within your HVAC systems. Ultraviolet light work to ultimate about 99% of populations like bachelor mode sports and other.